Bedroom. Bed. The bed is very comfortable. Pillow. She bought new pillows for her bed. Blanket. I need a warm blanket for winter. Living room. Sofa. The sofa is very comfortable to sit on. Television. They are watching a movie on television. Coffee table. The coffee table is made of wood. Kitchen. Fridge. The fridge is empty. We need to go shopping. Sink. Please wash the dishes in the sink. Dishwasher. The dishwasher is very convenient. Bathroom. Bathtub. The bathtub is large enough for a relaxing bath. Shower. He takes a shower every morning. Toilet. The toilet needs to be cleaned. Electronic appliances. Laptop. She uses her laptop for work. Microwave. The microwave is heating up the food. Washing machine. The washing machine is broken. Furniture. Chair. The chair is very comfortable. Table. We need a bigger table for the dining room. Lamp. The lamp gives a nice light.